Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix Xbox network connection block issue. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first step is to check your internet connection. So for that you just tap in and just disable and enable the Wi-Fi, or else please turn on your airplane mode for quick fix. If you are using internet, please do check out your connections properly and disable and enable the Ethernet connection. So the second step is to repair the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into your application, installed apps, then search for Xbox. Over there at the three dot icon, please click and enter into the advanced option, and please scroll down. You may see repair and reset. Please do one by one. So once you're done, please close it. And our third step is to repair gaming services. For that you need to enter into the Windows PowerShell as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So the first prompt is uninstall the gaming service, and the second prompt is to install the gaming service. So it redirect to the Microsoft Store. So over there you need to install the gaming services. So it fix the corrupted files. Yeah, once it's done, please close it or type exit to exit from the Windows PowerShell. So the fourth step is to update your Windows. For that you need to enter into the settings and then Windows update, and then click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the fifth step is to run system file checker. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Need to be load from 0 to 100. Yeah, so once this done, you need to copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. So the same, it need to be load from 0 to 100. It took 5 to 10 minutes. So once it completed, please do check out the status while it's successful or unsuccessful. If in case it shows unsuccessful, you need to redo the step again. So in our case it's successfully done. Yeah, so the sixth step is to reinstall the Xbox application. So just enter into the settings and then apps and then installed apps, then please uninstall it, and please do reinstall by using your web or the Microsoft service, whatever. Yeah, the seventh step is to verify Xbox services. For that you need to enter into the services as run as administrator mode, and please scroll down. You may see gaming services. Over there please enter into the properties, then check the status. Yeah, it's running, so it's good to go. And then you enter into the properties again for helper properties. So you need to set automatic and check the status. Yeah, it's also running. And then you need to check in the Xbox and right click properties. Yeah, it's in manual and it stopped, so you need to do automatic and restart it. So now it's in running. Yeah, then apply and then click OK. So this is what you need to do. Yeah, and then you need to do for the Xbox live game save, same automatic and start, because it's in stopped condition, so that's why. So click apply and then click OK. So once it's done, please close it. So our eighth step is to allow Xbox through Windows firewall. So please search for Windows security and enter into the firewall and network protection and allow an app through firewall. and then please scroll down. You may see the Xbox, sorry, the gaming services, and over there you need to check the private and public is enabled condition, and then you need to check for all the Xbox services. Yeah, all the Xbox services are in enabled condition. Then click OK, close it. So the ninth step is to reset network settings. For that, you need to enter in the command prompt as run as administrator mode. And please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So once it's done, our last step is to restart your PC. So please do check out, the issue will be solved. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to YouTube. Bye bye.